Hi and welcome to Lesson 3 of Tiered Pricing Table for WooCommerce, creating tiered pricing rules for products. In this video, we will demonstrate how to create tiered pricing rules for individual products. We will cover both quantity-based and value-based pricing, setting up bulk discounts for different customer groups, and global and role-based pricing rules. Let's get started. In your WooCommerce dashboard, navigate to Products and click on All Products. Now, edit a product, scroll down to Tiered Pricing, and click on it. In the Tiered Pricing section, you can create quantity-based pricing. Here's how to set it up. Enter the quantity range and enter the price per piece. You can also add multiple tiers and change the price according to the number of pieces. You can also set tiered pricing according to user roles. Select the user role and click on Setup for Role. In tiered pricing type, you can select from fixed prices or percentage discounts. We will select percentage discounts. Add the tiered price quantity and the percentage discount. Once the discounts are added, scroll up and click on Update. If you want to apply a pricing rule across multiple products, go to WooCommerce and click on Pricing Rules. Now click on Add New Rule. Add a name to your pricing rule, set a regular price and a sale price. We will select Discount for the tiered pricing type. Add the quantity and percentage discount. Now go to Products. From here you can add product categories to apply the discount. And you can also exclude categories from the discount. This rule will apply to all products if these fields are left empty. Now, go to User Roles and select the user role. You can also select multiple user roles for this discount. Now go to Quantity Rules. You can select a minimum order quantity and a maximum order quantity. Once your details are added, click on Publish. Now our 10% discount rule is added to all products. This is how you can create tiered pricing for individual products and all products. Make sure to test everything to ensure the pricing is accurate. Well, that ends our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.